In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use HubSpot pipeline rules effectively. As you get started, rest assured this process will empower you to streamline your workflows and better manage your deals. Let's dive into the steps for setting up pipeline rules using HubSpot. To begin, you'll want to direct your browser to the HubSpot user guide. This is your starting point for managing pipeline settings effectively. Once you've landed on the HubSpot user guide page, the next step is to navigate to the settings. The Settings tab is essentially the command center for all the adjustments and configurations you'll be making today. With Settings open, look for a section labeled Objects. Clicking on this will take you to a broader menu where you'll handle various components related to your HubSpot environment. Your focus now should be on Deals, which is where you'll find options connected to your sales pipeline. Once you're in the Deals section, keep an eye out for the Pipelines tab. Clicking on Pipelines opens up the gateway to all settings associated with your sales pipelines. It's here that you will define the rules and structures that help move your deals forward more smoothly. Now, it's time to select the specific pipeline you want to modify. This selection is crucial as each pipeline can have its own set of rules tailored to its unique processes. Once you've clicked on Select a Pipeline, you'll see your existing pipelines, offering you the flexibility to choose which one you want to edit. It's a good idea to double-check and ensure you're editing the correct pipeline to avoid any potential mix-ups. These steps are quite straightforward, but here are a few additional tips to keep in mind. Regularly review and update your pipeline rules to reflect any changes in your sales strategy. Experiment with different settings in a test environment if possible before applying them in a live scenario. This can help avoid disruptions to your ongoing sales activities. Lastly, consider collaborating with your team to gather feedback and ideas about the most effective rules and strategies to implement in your pipeline settings. And there you have it. Following these instructions, you've successfully set up your HubSpot pipeline rules, moving one step closer to a more organized and efficient sales workflow. We hope this guide has been useful, facilitating a clearer understanding of the HubSpot pipeline configuration process. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe for more insights and guides on optimizing your HubSpot experience.